everyone, it's Sam. This video is about my drugstore haul slash affordable makeup. Let's get started with the video. One of the first things I got, that is my Physicians Formula Happy Booster. I'm so excited to try this. I heard so many great reviews about this. It's a very natural blush and it's in the color Rose. So the packaging is just gorgeous. It's drop dead gorgeous. It has pink red hearts all over it. The sweet scent of violet provides a feeling of joy each time you apply. They also have this in different colors, different shades, and they also have bronzing and highlighting. It has a heart. It's very easy to open. It just clicks open. And this is what the color looks like. It has a mixture of like highlighting tones, neutral tones, and like hot pink tones. And it comes with a brush and a mirror. The brush is pink and red. It reminds me of Valentine's Day. I love how it comes with a mirror and a really nice comfortable place to put your blush, and it can breathe, so there's holes. I'll give you guys a swatch. Just start with this, and it just comes out as a really nice peachy pink. I'll do one more swatch, and I'll do a swatch right here. I'm gonna do another coat. See, it just, the color intensifies the more you put it on. I will show you guys what it looks like if you use your blush brush with it. So I'm gonna give it another swirl for you guys to see. And see, it picks up a lot, and I'll put it right here. If you're on the go every day to work or school, this is perfect for you. It's small and easy to compact with you, so you can take it wherever you want to go. The next product I chose was Revlon Kiss Balm, and it is in the color 030 Sweet Cherry. It has SPF 20, which is like perfect if you're going to the beach. This is the product. I haven't seen a lot of reviews about this, but the packaging is really simple, and it comes with a very easy to open cap. And let me just show you how much product comes inside of it. This is how much product it comes in with. We're just gonna put it right here next to the blush. And just a reminder, guys, this is just supposed to be a balm. I feel like this gives you a really nice wash of color with a sheer tint. So I highly recommend this. And it smells really strongly of cherries. Of course, you guys know I love my baby lips. It gives a very nice subtle pink sheen. This is in the color 25 Fruit Punch. And it's just a really nice lip balm to wear wherever. And if you're a middle schooler or high schooler just dabbling on with makeup, I highly recommend this with just as your lipstick and lip balm at the same time. It's basically a 2-in-1. 88% have smoother lips, 82% have less dry lips, 68% had suppler lips, 83% had better looking lips. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's very bright. And I'm gonna put this right here and give you guys a swatch. Like I said, this is also a very sheer lip balm. This is just one coat. It's very glossy, and I'm gonna layer it again. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'll do a third layer. Next product I'm gonna open is my e.l.f. eyeshadow. My mom actually got me this. It's the Modern Metals collection. This is it. You can also apply it dry and wet. I'm gonna do swatches of each color if you guys want. So let me open it. It's a really pretty gold palette, really sleek and very easy to carry if you're going traveling. And I love how it's see-through, so you can see all the colors. I love the shade range. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is beautiful. It's super nice and affordable. Wherever I go traveling to, I'm just gonna bring this shade along because you can use these shades for a mix of going out and daily makeup natural looks. My mom got me an Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid eyeshadow. If you want me to do a tutorial using this, please comment down below. I love the packaging. It's really bright. And it says, wash this liquid eyeshadow over lids for a vibrant metallic look. You can wear it alone or layered. That's super cool. And this is what it looks like. It's in the color Cool Steel. I really like cool shades like this because it's a super cool look. And it has just a doe foot applicator. Let me do a swatch for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's very smooth just putting it on to your hand. It glides on very easily. My mom got me as well the Gotta Glow Lip Tint in the color Perfect Berry. Gel-based formula glides on smoothly, infused with shea butter, which is super good and moisturizing for your lips to help maintain and nourish. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super fancy and chic. It's just clear and I love the cap. It looks super cool. And this is how much product comes in. So it's just a regular lipstick bullet. And I'm just gonna do a swatch right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna show immediately. Oh, yeah. If you guys want, I can do another tutorial over this. This is a really great dupe for a lot of products right now on the market. The next e.l.f. product my mom got me is a satin eyeliner pencil, and I love these pencils. I rave about these all the time on my channel. It comes with its own little sharpener. It's in the color navy, and I had one in green and black, but my mom wanted to get me navy because I want to try all the colors. This is, oops, I already ruined the pencil. Oh, it's cool. And I love these pencils because they're so easy to glide on. They're just so smooth. I'm just gonna give you guys a swatch. It's already pretty sharp. And look how creamy and easy to glide on that is. I feel like this will really, and you can obviously layer it. It's gonna stand out more if you put more layers, and really pigmented. You can do a natural or really fun look with this. The next product my mom got me was the e.l.f. concealer. It's in the color Ivory. Pretty cheap for a concealer. Gently pat onto the skin with a fingertips or a concealer brush. So this is what it looks like. It's so chic, so slim, so easy to carry around. It's black. It opens like, you need to tug it, but it opens so smoothly. And this is what it looks like. It's a circular concealer, and let me show you guys how much product is in this. And there we go. This is a good, decent amount of product. I'll give you guys a swatch here. It's really creamy. It's thick too, so you can easily blend it. Here, I'll show you guys an example. So I have my scar right here. So I'm just going to put it right there and blend it out. And boom, it's gone. If you have an acne or something, pimple, scar, this will cover it up. I have a Wet n Wild Mega Glow makeup stick in the highlighting shade. This is in the color 800 When the Nude Strikes. I really like these because these are actually a really good dupe for the Glossier highlights. It has the same amount of product. It looks very similar in terms of shape, and it performs the same way. Here it is, and you open it up very easily. It has a clear cap, and the top is so smooth. Alright, so this is how much product it comes. Not a lot. However, Glossier also doesn't come with a lot. So I think this is pretty similar if you want to look for something cheap. So let's put it right here. And the lighting is just gonna bring it out. It's not too overbearing. So I have a little bit of highlight right now, but I'm just gonna add a little bit and show you guys what it looks like. So I'll put a little bit on my face right here. And I feel like this is really good on people with cooler toned skin. A very nice cool undertone. And then we can put a little bit on my nose and cheek. I feel like this is a really nice, once again, great for people if you want for a natural dewy highlight that's not too much. I feel like you should get this. It's a great Glossier dupe. The best part is it's cruelty free against animals. The next product I got was the Cat Lipgloss. Katy Perry did a collab with Covergirl. What drew me in was just the packaging, I'm not gonna lie. I think they did an amazing job. It's a very silver cat because she loves cats. You'll know it's a very hot pink lip color. It's only one hot pink. And this is what it looks like. It's just a regular doe foot applicator. It smells, wow, it smells really good. It smells like fruits. It's a very sweet, intense scent. Like, take batter. I'm just gonna make a swatch right here. Why does it look so thin? Let me grab some more color.
There we go.
And that's the color. There's very fine particles of glitter. I'll just do another swatch just in case for you guys. There we go. I feel like this is a really nice lip color to wear if you're going to a music festival or a concert or anything cool like that. Next product is a lipstick, and this is from, I think, Forever 21. It's in the color Shocking Pink Rose VIF Hydrating, and it comes in a clear cap just like this. And it's really nice lipstick, a lot of product in it. It's a very nice flat top applicator so you can get all around your lips. And I'm just going to put this right here. Very pigmented. It's a very nice strawberry pink. The final product that I have that's pretty affordable, you can get it off of Amazon. It's an Exactly a Naked palette dupe in the color Nude 3. No, I'm not going to give you all the swatches because there's a lot, I'm not going to lie. If you guys want, I can do a tutorial with this. Why waste your money on buying the whole Urban Decay eyeshadow when you can save your money and get all this? So let me know if you guys want a tutorial on this. 6 mattes and 6 metallic shades. It comes with a mirror and 2 brushes, so it's really convenient. It's exactly like the Naked palette, and the colors just look really natural, and you could do so much with your daily makeup with this. That is the end of my drugstore and affordable makeup haul. See you guys soon. Bye. Love you guys. Peace.
I like me better.